Hey, how come you two ain't helping?
What?
You two aren't helping the truck. You're supposed to be pushing.
What do you want us to do?
Push.
Somebody's stuck in the mud.
It looks like you guys are collecting it back there.
All right, you butthead. Yeah, you get over here and do that.
Oh, hey, Brandon's pulling you. Oh, no, he
Hey, let
ain't.
me get in my truck first.
There they are. guys doing?
Good.
Good. We've been having fun. Went up Potter's Canyon, played in the snow.
Yeah. We were there before we went down to Readers.
Yeah, how's that?
That creek's running pretty good.
I'll bet.
My feet are still wet.
Yeah, I bet.
That was a good time.
Yeah, that's fine.
There's the peanut gallery. Hiding behind the cab. Oh boy.
Yeah, last night the guys that were here, they broke an axle. And
Who's that?
go down there right where Black Canyon is.
The Cowboys from Camas?
I thought it was
And Willie's? And Willie's Jeep?
No, they didn't have Willie.
Oh.
No, they're right down there at Black's Canyon, but they broke down last night and then they went to town, got an axle and came back and got up. There you go, buddy.
Okay.
The glasses.
Why, is it getting ugly?
Yeah.
Is it gonna get ugly now? Oh no! Everybody's involved in this. I better get out of here. It's getting dangerous.
Yeah, the one guy had a Suburban with boggers on it. He did pretty good.
Hey, you got mud on you.
Who won?
Leslie, it sounds like. Is there a winner in a mud fight? We're all muddy.
Yeah, I didn't know, because they're just like, oh, we're not going to do anything. And I was like, uh-huh. Yeah, you can't trust police when you say that. Yeah, no doubt.
How's it going, guys?
They've been defeated, I think.
I see that Dodge ain't moved far.
Nah, it ain't moved.
I'm getting out.
You did a good job.
I think Lindsay's having a problem. Check out Lindsay, Joe. Don't. That's funny. That's just gonna get mad. Oh, fuck, shit.
It's not funny.
What's not funny? That? You falling down in the mud's not funny?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay. So just shut that camera off, John. I see some bathing going on.
Nice.
She looks like a cave woman.
I have part of a swimming suit on.
Me use string to take back.
Where's the other one? There she is.
Brandon's really ugly.
How's it going, sis?
Don't I look better?
Yeah. Look at that. Hey, Chester, there ain't no kitties in the pond.
The boots are really an added touch. I didn't get a chance to.
Got all you need's a raincoat for a whole fucking ensemble.
Flat tire. He's only six-wheel drive.
too. That
He's only six-wheel drive. You got
Oh, that's his traction tire, huh?
well, he got six-wheel drive, but see, it's only five-wheel drive. Oh, so you're gonna get he's gonna get stuck sometimes. He's gonna get high centered right there. No, he's gonna get high centered sometimes. Oh, see, he's making it through. He got high centered last time.
That little bastard goes, man.
See, when you're drunk, you're a better driver.
You got that right.
That's proof right there. When you're drunk, you're a better driver. Look at that. He made it through. 5-wheel drive. 6-wheel drive. He didn't make it through that son of a bitch. 6-wheel drive and sober.
Here comes the other one. As he comes.
He's coming back through. 5-wheel drive and drunk. 5-wheel drive and drunk and the son of a bitch. 5-wheel drive and drunk.
Swilling it will, baby.
Swilling when he's gone. Yes, whose dog is this?
Oh, that's Lady. That's my dog.
Lady? Lady, be good, lady. The 6-wheel drive, or I'm sorry, 5-wheel drive and drunk is stuck right now.
Say bye-bye to Bubba.
That isn't very nice. He got you guys out when you were in the ground. And I was trying to get you guys out when I was in the ground. Keep driving. The trucks got out, but the 6-wheelers aren't quite getting out right now. They're kind of being smart asses right now.
Hey, he's working that beer.
See, he's got the winch hooked up, but the winch isn't working too yet.
Oh, it's working. He's working it.
Come on, give him.
The only problem he's got is he's out of beer.
Yes, he is out of beer. And we are all out of beer.
So are we.
We need some
Why do you think we're going home?
That's the only reason we're going back. Because we're out of beer. We gotta.
We did too. We run into about 10 foot of snow.
Where'd you guys go?
Up to Skyline Drive, the Potters.
It's in neutral. Let's see the damage right here. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, yes. Let's see the damage right here.
Ah, put your pants back on.
Hey,
What am
no,
I
we
missing?
got the damage right here.
Here he comes. Yeah.
Okay. Safe. Drunk driver in the road. Are we on our way?
Can you see where you're going?
Almost. Good enough. I guess I'm driving in my fucking underwear.
Right on, man.
Close enough.
That's what they say is wheel naked. Okay, here comes Brandon. You better watch this.
Uh-oh, this ought to be good.
No.